Ting Mobile Operator Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Ting Mobile plans and details are in the description below. Now, let's get straight to the review. Ting Mobile is a prepaid MVNO that operates on both T-Mobile and Verizon networks, offering solid nationwide coverage with 5G support. What sets Ting apart is its flexible pricing and straightforward approach to wireless service. It offers a range of plans, starting from a $10 basic plan with pay-as-you-go data, up to an unlimited plan with 35 gigabytes of high-speed data. All plans include unlimited talk and text, mobile hotspot access, and Wi-Fi calling. Ting is known for its simplicity. There are no contracts, no hidden fees, and no overages, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. Ting Mobile is ideal for light to moderate data users who want a flexible and affordable mobile plan without paying for more than they need. The biggest strengths of Ting include its multi-network access, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service, which is consistently rated higher than most major carriers. The ability to choose between Verizon or T-Mobile's network ensures strong coverage in most areas, and the pay-as-you-go data model is perfect for those who only use mobile data occasionally. Additionally, all plans include free international calling to over 60 countries, making Ting a great choice for users with global connections. However, Ting Mobile isn't for everyone. Heavy data users may find the 35 GB cap on the unlimited plan limiting, especially since speeds slow down after reaching that threshold. Unlike major carriers, Ting does not offer perks like free streaming services or bundled subscriptions. Also, since it operates as an MVNO, users on the lower tier plans may experience deprioritization during network congestion. Another downside is the lack of physical retail stores, meaning customer support is entirely online or via phone. Overall, Ting Mobile is an excellent choice for those looking for flexible, no-contract wireless service with affordable pricing and strong customer support. It's especially good for users who don't need a lot of data or want a low-cost backup line. However, if you need truly unlimited data or premium perks, other options may suit you better. Check the links in the description for the latest Ting Mobile plans and pricing.